What's up, guys? It's your boy T-Wils here, back for another trading recap. Today, we took 2 or 3 trades today. We made 1265, I'm pretty sure. I can't really check because trade file is down. I don't know why. We made 1265, we made 800 one trade, then we banked in a small little trade after for around $400. And I'm going to show you guys the trades look today. I'm going to do a little recap on it. Guys, so the trade we took today, A++ trade, A+ setup. And yeah, it was just super green, honestly. So, let me go down the 1 minute, show you guys the trades took first, and then I'll break down why I took these trades. So, a bit after market opened. Ay, caramba. Yep, a bit after market opened here. We took a long. We were targeting this buy side, but I brought it a bit higher because we took a little L at first. The first trade was a little L. So we put it back up here. Put it a bit higher than this buy side. We honestly wanted to target these London highs, but with my consistency rule, it would have been too much, right? And I was happy with my stop here at the C of this 4 hour. That's the first trade I actually did end up taking. Was this long, but I didn't wait for the closure above this 1 minute gap. Let me just put this gap in here. Oh god, let me turn this magnet off. Yeah, so there's a 1 minute gap here that we did not wait for the closure above. Make it a bit darker, actually. Okay, it's perfect. So yeah, coming into the day, coming in, whoa, why is it setting me all the way back here? Coming into the day, I honestly was bullish, but I was waiting to see what we would be doing, right? Because we did have this 4 hour gap, so if we close below and start dipping below this 4 hour gap, then I would be looking for shorts because we are in this internal range here. This is a reversal setup, guys, for the rest of the week, it looks like, if we don't dump off. But once we hit these London highs here, we'll see, because we can reject off and dump back down. But I was waiting to see what we were going to do. So I know there's a lot of text and stuff in here. But looking at the candles, I was waiting to see what we would do coming into this 4 hour gap. And we also did have this 1 hour gap here, this small 1 hour gap here that we were looking at, right? So coming into the open, we made an SMT. We dipped down into this 4 hour gap. We already tapped here. And as we could see, guys, earlier on at 5 a.m., we came and tapped this 4 hour gap and this 1 hour gap, and we rejected off of it, right? And that kind of gave me a bullish bias in regards to the open, which is this candle right here. It gave me a bullish bias in regards to this open. So once I seen the open come and we tapped this 4 hour gap again, we went below it, and we tapped this 1 hour gap and even went below the 1 hour gap, and we didn't close below it. I knew we were going to be bullish. And we also made an SMT there on ES. We made an SMT, and we also tapped this. It was also sell side liquidity and an SMT. So that's perfect, right? And the trade did play out a bit earlier than I would like to. It wasn't in the macro, guys. It was at, 9:37. So 7 minutes into market open, around 7 to 5 minutes into market open, which normally isn't ideal. But if the setup presents itself, guys, we have to take it, right? So the first trade I did take was off of this candle right here. I got in a bit prematurely. I think I got in around here, and my stop was at the CE of this 4 hour, and that's when I ended up getting stopped out. I took a small L for around $400. And yeah, it was at the bottom of this. It was at the CE and the 1 minute gap. So thinking about it, it could have been a little slight grab for liquidity, so my stops could have been lower. But, things happen for a reason. We took the L for a reason, right? So we ended up waiting for a closure above the gap, which was this bearish black candle right here. And we got in right above here. And we, as I was saying, targeted this buy side a bit higher than the buy side because that small L to make back that $400. This trade was for around $1,200. So after hitting this trade, I was up $800. And I honestly saw this little pullback here. I took this small little long here to make an extra $400. I kind of sized in heavy, but I knew we were bullish. Obviously, it could have went bad, but it didn't, and we literally bottom ticked it. Went break even right away. And as I said, guys, Tradify is not working for some reason. I don't know why. It says internal servers down. Please try again. Trying to refresh. It's not working. Even trying to go to my journal. I don't know, but the balance is updated here, as you guys can see. So yeah, we made 1265. I calculated earlier before because it's a bit later in the day. It's 6, almost it's 7. It's 6:57. So I was gonna say it's almost 7, but yeah, it's basically 7 o'clock. I took this trade obviously earlier in the day. Yeah, we'd end up taking this London high, Asia high, even this new 4 hour, other 4 hour, and this buy side, right? So let me give you guys a pre-market analysis for tomorrow. As you can see, we're bullish, but we're kind of ranging here, right? Tomorrow, I do want to see us take out this buy side and this London high. So we will be looking for a model to go along there, but we also can be looking for these shorts here, guys. To this sell side, this manipulation candle here, we can look for a dump off to there. We don't really have much draws. We don't really have much draws lower. Obviously, we're gonna have to wait to see what the Asia session and London session does. We don't really have much draws here or much gaps. We have a 15-minute. It's basically, we probably have some 5 minutes in here. Not even, like, this is kind of ugly later on in the day. We don't really have much draws lower except for this sell side and like this dump off or this this bullish ranging motion higher. So yeah, we're gonna see what we're gonna do tomorrow. But yeah, I do want to see these London highs from last week get taken out, and this buy side get taken out. So we will be targeting that hopefully tomorrow. But yeah, guys, today was just a fully A+ super free day. Even if you guys didn't get in at the bottom here, I know like if somebody probably if some people probably took some L's today, obviously it sucks. Like, you know, hearing somebody say like today was super A+ free trading day. Cause like look at this range we took out, right? Like it was just so free, right? Targeting anything, Asia highs, London highs, buy side, this 4 hour gap. Yeah, I thought it was free, but let me know how you guys did today trading. I wish I could show you guys this Tradeify, but yeah, as you can see, it's still not working. I don't know. But yeah, so that is our second green day so far for this account. And guys, we're back in the motions, right? We're back being disciplined, not trading. As you guys know, it's 7 o'clock right now. I'm not trading gold. I'm done. But I have been trying something new. Well, something new. It was been in the works and talked about amongst me and my friends for a while. Forward testing gold. I don't know how effective that's going to be, knowing that a lot of prop firms just ban trading gold. And I know Asia session NQ is really iffy. So I don't know if there's a real effective reason to trade Asia session slash like this PM kind of open for NQ. But we're just going to forward test it, right? We have time. We're not doing anything anyways. If we are busy, we won't. But we're not going to make it a priority. But if we have time to do it, you know, might as well. So yeah, that's the trading recap for today. I hope you guys have a good day. I have a little screen recording. I forgot to start it, and I went to go check. I was already in the trade, so you guys will see I'm already going to be in the trade up around $200. But yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a blessed day and a blessed start to your week. And guys, let's all eat this week. Yeah, let's all have a great week. Eat, and you know, just be fruitful, I guess. I don't know, fuck. But I appreciate you guys for watching. Subscribe if you guys want to stick around for the journey. Leave a comment if you guys have any questions. My Alpha Futures code will be in the description. If you guys want to join the Discord, I'm still posting the Discord. It's going to be in the description below. Yeah, I appreciate all you guys and have a good day.